is I like a lot of whipped cream on top of my hot cocoa. There we go. So, cheers. Happy holidays. Christmas is always about memories, and this is one of my favorite arrangements. When I was a little kid, we grew up in the flower shop, and there were all sorts of accessories that we always had in the flower shop for Christmas. And one of them were these cute little novelty dancing stands. I just think that they are cute because my mom would use them in corsage.